For centuries, the principle of Takaful have thrived on a powerful foundation, Ta'awun Mutual Cooperation. It's a system built on community, trust, and shared responsibility. But today, that community is being redefined. We are in the midst of the fourth industrial revolution, and the financial world is transforming at lightning speed. For Takaful, digitalization is no longer an option, it's an imperative. The potential is staggering. The global Takaful market is on the trajectory to explode from $72.8 billion to over $167 billion. By the end of the decade, this isn't just growth, it's a revolution waiting to be seized. And who is driving this demand? A new generation. In core market like Saudi Arabia and Malaysia, over 65% of the population is under 35. They are digital native. They expect accessibility, transparency, and efficiency at their fingertips. The future of Takaful lies at the intersection of its timeless ethical principle and the power of digital technology. By embracing this change, we can enhance our social mandate, serve a new generation, and unlock a future of mutual cooperation in the modern age. The Takaful industry isn't just growing, it's evolving. To capture that projected 167 billion market, operators are turning to three powerful digital trends. First, the proliferation of mobile platform. Customers now expect a seamless journey at their fingertips. In Malaysia, over 80% of Takaful operators now have mobile apps, and this digital shift is driving a massive 35% year-on-year increase in new customers. Second, the rise of usage-based insurance (UBI). By leveraging IoT and the telematic, contribution are based on actual behavior like smart driving, safe driving. This isn't just smart, it's a deeply aligned with the Islamic principle of fair and equitable pricing. The global market for this technology is set to explode, projected to grow at 14.2 annually. And third, the power of artificial intelligence and automation. AI chatbot provide 24/7 service, while machine learning revolutionize back-end operation. The results are staggering. Early adopters are seeing an 80% reduction in claims handling time and a 40% cut in operational costs. From mobile-first access to fairer pricing to intelligent automation, digitalization is ensuring the principle of Takaful are not just preserved but powerfully enhanced for a new era.
Okay, moving to Takaful Online, its biggest challenge is now just about a new software. There are hard problem we can put into two main groups. First, old system and slow rules. Many Takaful companies use very old computers and software. It is a bigger problem because we spend most our money 60 to 80% just to keep their old system running. This leave very little money for new ideas. Also, the old system doesn't work well with new apps and technology, and the people who make the rules for our industry cannot always keep up with how fast technology change. This slow us down. Second, we have two biggest risks to cyber attack and Sharia rules. When we work online, hackers can attack us. Banks and insurance companies are their favorite targets. If they steal data, it costs a lot of money and hurt our reputation. But for Takaful, there is another very important rules. Everything we do online must follow a Sharia rules. Every computer process and piece of code must be checked. We must make sure it's avoid a thing like a gharar and riba. So in short, we have to fix our old weak system. At the same time, we must build a strong, safe online system that follow Islamic law. Solving both this problem is the key of the bring future for the Takaful. Okay, now let's talk about the opportunity created by digitalization. First, let's talk about enhanced customer experience and crucially financial inclusion. Digital channels provide unmatched convenience, allowing us to interact with the customers anytime and anywhere. This not only increase accessibility but also fosters a strongest customers loyalty. More important, this digital shift drastically reduce our distribution costs. This lower cost structure is the key that unlock a micro takaful, making it a financially variable product for the first time. We can now serve low income segment effectively, and the market is enormous. We are looking at a vast untapped potential of 1.7 billion unbanked adult globally, a majority of whom like in OIC countries. This represent a massive new fortress for the digital macro takaful, allowing us to provide a essential protection to those who need it most. For the second major areas opportunities in achieving operational excellence and developing a new products, a full digital transformation can lower in ensure costs to serve by up to 3%. This is a game change for a profitable. Those automation, we can streamline our back office function for claims processing to policy management. This boosts efficiency and just as importantly frees up the variable resources and human capital to focus on innovation. And this innovation led direct to a new product. Digitalization enables us to create a solution for modern risks. A prime example is a cyber takaful, a product with a massive growth potential in our increasingly digital global economy.
Okay, so for the next slide is the implication for Takaful operator. So for Takaful operator, embracing digital innovation present a series of critical decisions and requirements. Strategically, they must choose between forging a partnership with fintech firm or developing in-house technical capabilities, a relationship that could be structured under Adat Wakalah model. So operationally, these transactions demand significant investment in modern IT instruction and cloud computing and the hiring of technological skills staff. So these investments are crucial to leverage digital tools to optimize the Takaful fund for better investment, returns and more effective risk pooling. To furthermore, product development in Paramount's operator must create a digital native product that carefully integrate core principles like tabarruj and risk sharing directly into the architecture of their application and online platform. Okay, so move to the second topic, which is the implication for the broader Islamic finance sector. So the implication of digitalization extend far beyond the takaful, driving a profound transformation across the entire Islamic finance ecosystem. It fosters deeper cooperation between Islamic banking and takaful, paving the way for a unified digital platform that serves all of the client financial needs within a single Sharia-compliant ecosystem. So, from a governance perspective, technology like smart contract and digital registries really enhance the transparency, auditability, and traceability of transaction, of course. So, thereby strengthening trust in the system Sharia integrity. So, this digital shift, especially when combined with the integration of ESG, is measured into the ethical governance, elevates the global competitiveness, accessibility, and efficiency of the Islamic finance. It's signaling a comprehensive business model transformation.
In conclusion, digitalization is rapidly transforming the takaful industry. While it brings challenges such as outdated legacy system and rising security cyber threats, it also unlocks far greater opportunities. This investment paved the way for improved financial inclusivity and stronger ethical transparency. both core value of Takaful. Looking ahead, the future of Takaful is set to be shaped by AI-powered and highly personalized products that cater to individual needs more precisely than ever before. In addition, blockchain technology is projected to become the standard for managing transparent tabarruk funds within the next 5 years to 7 years. This evolution comes at a crucial time as the global Muslim population continues to grow and it's expected to reach 2.2 billion by 2013. Together, this technological shift positions Takaful to serve communities more efficiently, ethically, and inclusively than ever. That's all from our group. Thank you.